take a look at our last 4-city tour campaign to see how that worked for us. First, let's see what the overall results were. I can see how we did overall in the 4 cities, and attendance building was slow and steady with almost as many registering in the last few weeks as we had in the first few months. That'll be good to keep in mind as we roll out our marketing programs. Oh yeah, our sponsors were a really important part of the value we delivered that time. Let's dig into a little more detail. Let me refresh this Excel from CRM just to be sure I have the latest results. What I can see is the 4 cities we went to before, and I can see that there was a lot of interest in the cloud and social. From the comments we got, I can see that individuals were generally satisfied. But we could improve by having better signage. I also know that session on SharePoint went through a lot of iterations last time. Let me see how we finally settled on something that worked for the audience. Oh, that's right. SharePoint 2010 had just come out, and we had a lot of requests to focus on the world premiere of that and less on SharePoint 2007 information. This time, SharePoint 2013 will be on the verge of coming out, so I'll probably have to focus on more of a sneak preview rather than the whole world premiere. Great, so let me get things started by sending Jessica an email about the event. We want to do 4 cities again, but let's drop Washington and replace it with Columbia. Be sure to revisit the old site. Notice that about 50% of our results came in the last 2 weeks before the event, so include that in thinking of our marketing strategy. Let's get some quotes from past attendees in the marketing materials. And finally, let's modify the list of sessions to focus on what the audience seems to want: social, cloud, latest releases, and plus a CPR session.